Hello everyone, and today we're going to discuss what's the difference between the words mellow and succulent. Both are adjectives, but mellow can act as a verb, whereas succulent can be a noun. I want to draw your attention to these words because they both can describe food, especially fruit. But first, let's try to tell the difference between them. Mellow. Mellow as an adjective describes something gentle, soft, pleasant, sweet, smooth. For instance, you can say a mellow person, a mellow character, or a mellow mood. You can also say, I love listening to mellow music, to soothing music for my soul. Well, what about mellow fruit? Mellow fruit are fruit with small amount of water and sweet. For instance, like persimmons or bananas. Succulent. Succulent describes food, especially fruit, with large amount of water and juicy fruit, like watermelons or peaches. And succulent can be a noun. So succulent is a plant that can store water in its stem or leaves. For instance, like cactus, cacti in deserts. And that's all the difference. I hope now you understand these words. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.